Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the advanced colors in Affinity. So if you're currently working in Affinity Design and you want to basically have advanced colors, then I'm going to show you how you can access this. And this is really helpful if you're a designer. Now, on top of that, I'm going to also show you how to access other color pickers that you can use. So all you have to do, guys, let's get started with the basics. Now, to change the color in Affinity, you want to go ahead and you want to go ahead and add your design, then basically use the color wheel on the right hand side to change the color, right? So this is the basic way. Now, you can also go ahead and switch to, for example, the swatches, and you can use this to change colors as well. So you can pick individual colors. If you're not seeing the swatches here, you can go ahead and click on appearance, then click on the fill color or the outline, which is a stroke color, and you can just click on that and you have, for example, swatches right here, and you can click on those individual colors, right? You also have the colors for black, white, gray, and you can switch here as well by clicking gradients. You can click on the grays, you can click on the hatches and so forth, and you can basically go through here and find different that you can choose. So you can basically switch color gradients and so forth. Now, as I mentioned, that I'm going to show you how to access, for example, advanced colors. So in order to access the advanced colors, you want to ensure that you're not clicking on anything else, but you're clicking on colors. Then click the drop down towards the upper right hand side next to the advanced here. You can see it in the upper right here. And here you will have more options for colors. So if you click on advanced, it's going to enable the advanced colors. And this is amazing. Now, as you can see right here, it has tint, it has tone. So it gives you different shades of the colors. It has shades right here, as you can see. It has complementary colors. It has squares. It has the accented as well. It has so many different options. And as you change the colors, you can see that it changes as well and also show you different colors that complement. So guys, I really love this option. So if you want to go ahead and use advanced colors in Affinity, this is how you can easily go ahead and find those colors that you can complement. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. And so you have those different colors that you can use to basically make your design look much better. And it's going to help you as well to change colors and to try different colors and to make your design come alive. So that's how you access the advanced colors in Affinity.